And therefore, being in charge of Youth Congress, it is important for us to talk about the state of the economy in Goa and in India. We would like to ask the government answers to a few questions. The first question is, why is joblessness at a 45-year high? This is a government that has enjoyed complete majority for more than 5 years. In spite of that, they have not been able to deliver jobs. It is unheard of that joblessness is over 6 to 9% depending on which statistics you believe. This shows only one thing, that Prime Minister Modi, Chief Minister Sawant and the BJP governments do not know how to give jobs to the youth of the country, to the people of the country. The second question we would like to ask is, why has GDP growth fallen to 5%? Took them 2.5 hours to travel a stretch of road that usually used to take less than half an hour. The Chief Minister is so busy spending money buying Congress MLAs in Goa that he doesn't have time to spend public money for the public. So the Chief Minister should stop doing horse trading and should start doing public service.
2 ऑक्टोबराक पदयात्रा ही काडपाची. 2 तारखेक सकाळची ही पदयात्रा जातली. ही पदयात्रा रायबंदरच्यान भायर सरतली आनी ओल्ड गोवा ज्या जाग्यार स्टेट लेवल फंक्शन जाता, महात्मा गांधीचो स्टॅच्यू थंय आसा, थंय वचून महात्मा गांधीजीक आर्गां ओपून मागीर सोंपतली. त्याच भशेन एक सेमिनार आज देशांत इकॉनॉमीची जी परिस्थिती जाल्ली आसा ताजे खातीर एक सेमिनार ऑन इकॉनॉमीक मेल्टडावन हो भोवदा आमी ह्या म्हयन्याक एंडाक किंवा 28 सप्टेंबराक एक पणजे मागीर आमी चेंबर ऑफ कॉमर्साच्या हॉलांत घडोवन हाडपाचो आसात आनी तातूंत अशें बरे इकॉनॉमीची नॉलेज आशिल्ले बरे अशे स्पिकर्स कीनोट स्पिकर्स हाडून तांचे मार्फत एक जागृताय करपाचो प्रयत्न ह्या निमित्यान जातलो. त्याच भशेन
आनी म्हाका दिसता आयज 10 ब्लॉक्स गोवा प्रदेश यूथ काँग्रेस न्यू ब्लॉक रिकॉन्स्टिट्यूट करतात. तशेंच एक इम्पॉर्टंट पोजिशन्स इन द नॉर्थ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट एज वेल एज साउथ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट. सो आय विश देम ऑल द बेस्ट एंड होप द न्यू टीम विल टेक हेड ऑन taking all the issues of the anti people especially, and Youth Congress will be with the youths of Goa fighting against this government.